Look at that, guys. Look. I love you.
Love you too.
Bye-bye.
Good morning, Philippines!
Hello guys, before ako sinayawan ni Tami, ito yung kaganapan sa bahay guys. Sobrang aga, kumusta po kayo? Kumusta yung aga ninyo? Ako guys, naglilinis ako kasi kailangan kong maglinis dito sa ating sink. Kailangan ko lang siyang spray, scrub para maging malinis kasi nga dumidikit na yung mga dumi-dumi. And then guys, ito yung araw namin guys, linis. And then si Tami kasi nga ang dami ng dahon sa labas, nagdesisyon din siyang maglinis sa harap ng bahay. Anyway guys, ganito ako guys kapag maglinis, kailangan kong itapon yung guys, yung screen sa ibabaw ng sink kasi hindi ko siya nagustuhan. Pero bago ko siya itapon, anyway, bibili tayo ng bago. Kasi guys, galing po yan sa dumpster, 'di ba? Dumpster yan galing. Pero malinis yan guys kasi nga hinugasan natin ng maayos bago natin nilagay diyan. May rason po guys kung bakit itatapon ko yan. Kasi guys, every time na maglinis ako niyan, nakatago yung dumi sa ilalim at saka may singit-singit talaga siya. So kaya mahirap siyang linisin at ayaw ko yung magmo-mold na siya. At hindi ko lang namalayan na may mold na pala sa ilalim at ayaw ko yan. Anyway, pagkatapos kong naglinis sa kitchen, dito ako guys naglalaba. Kailangan kong maglaba kasi nga ang dami nating labahan. Yun yung ginagamit ko guys maglaba. Ang bango niyan guys. Unstoppable something, 'di ba? Unstoppable. Pagkatapos maglaba at kusina, dito na naman ako sa aking master bath. Kailangan nating linisin guys kasi nga old po itong aming sink guys dito. So hindi na kami pala ni Tami bumili ng bago na aming sink kasi nga 'di ba? Hindi naman ito masyadong old pero iba yung style na gusto ko pero walang choice kasi pagbili namin ganito na siya. So yun guys, nag-spray lang ako, nilagyan ko yung sabon namin diyan para ready, ganyan lang. And then inarinse ko lang siya konti. Nilinis ko yung salamin kasi nga ang daming abog, daming alikabok guys. Hindi nag-vacuum na rin din ako dyan guys kasi alam nyo na buhok guys. Kapag babae guys, after shower guys, ang daming buhok kasi. Kaya every time talaga na maligo ako guys, kailangan kong kunin yung buhok manually. Nakakapagod kasi guys kapag mag-vacuum ka na lang palagi dyan, o diba? Yun lang naman guys, pagkatapos ko nilili ko sa Tami doon ay sinilip ko pala, sinilip ko doon sa second floor kung asa na siya, anong ganap, andun pala siya, nakikita ninyo yun. Ginagrind na niya yung mga dahon. Tapos na ako sa loob ng bahay. So ngayon habang naghihintay ka Tami kung kailan siya matatapos guys, ako naman nililinis ko yung itong back porch namin. Itatago ko itong rug, nililinis ko lang sa ating buting-ting. Silhig man ito guys, silhig na walis, silhig na sa lube. Diba? So yun siya guys, iroroll ko lang siya guys, i-keep ko siya, ilagay sa basement for next year kasi nga every winter guys kailangan naming itago yung mga cushion, mga rug, kung anong mga furniture itago for winter. Nagwasak ng lagim si Mister. Grabe guys. Sabi ko sa kanya, dahan-dahan ka ha kasi maraming kahoy dyan na putol. So, yung pagputol ng kahoy dyan sa gilid, hindi masyadong naputol talaga patungo. Yung malapit sa lupa. So ngayon kapag daanan mo yan, masisira yung Okay guys, nangyari na guys twice, okay? Sabi ko itaasan mo yan. So anyway, enjoy na lang kayo guys. Sobrang ganda yung backyard talaga namin ngayong panahon. Pero anyway, so yun na nga, bumalik si Tami doon kasi nga maglilinis siya, dinaanan niya guys. So yun doon talaga guys, nasira na naman yung lawnmower guys. So yun, so tinatry niya guys, stop siya dyan, itry na naman niyang on. Doon, pag on niya, napatay ang ating lawnmower. Buti na lang naayos guys. At saka guys, nag-aso-aso yan, nag-usok. Grabe yung usok. But anyway, he ruined the lawnmower again. Look at him. He just keeps shaking his ass on me like he's so happy. We still have to film, remember? Look at that, guys. Look at it. He's so happy that he 1, 2, 3, third time today. Look, and he's so proud of his pasta pajol. going to the neighbor. Then guys, habang nangapit bahay si Mister, ako naligo. Tapos na akong naligo. Iyon, nagdala ako ng gamit sa taas. Pinofold ko. And then, bumaba na lang ako. Kasi nga, dinner time na. Ayaw ko kumain ng ibang pagkain. Kasi po, nag-ano ako guys, nangala akong sa Bisaya. Charot, hindi po ako nangala. Gusto ko ng cereal. Kaya nga, nag-cereal tayo ngayong gabi. Salamat kayo sa inyong panonood. Kita-kits tayo next time. Bye! Mwah! Hi guys! Yung asawa ko guys, hiwalay muna kami ngayon natulog. Sa taas daw siya ngayon matulog. So kaya yun. Gusto niyang mahiwalay sa akin. So yun, andito ako sa baba, naghintay. So, kasi meron siyang importanteng gawin. Look at him guys. He's gonna leave me guys. Come on, let me get it. You have new pillow over there, new. I put a new case.
Opened.
Serious?
Yes.
Why it's open?
I don't know. I was going to ask you that question.
Seriously? He opened it?
He opened it out if you want.
Huh?
I wouldn't think he opened it.
And are you sure there's no people staying in our attic? Han?
I went in there and looked, but
You did look?
yeah.
So, where are you gonna do it?
Well, there's a plug here, but I was hoping there's one behind the bed.
There is, but I'm gonna get that. Hala, he's already under the bed. I'm gonna get the thing here. It's right here. Huy, listen, look. Don't go growling over there. It's right here in my office.
Power strip?
Yeah, hold on, wait. Oh, my husband is sleeping over here. Can I sleep with you? Okay, here. Oh, he's sleeping over here.
Wish you were.
Okay, so why he's right here? Because I changed the thing guys for him. So he's right here because what is the reason why you're here?
I have to do this sleep test.
Sleep test. So he's gonna be not with me. So he has company here. Hubs is under the bed already.
Yeah, he won't be here long.
Yeah. And he has that Mary. Yeah. Ako guys, hindi ako katolikong tao guys. Pero dahil si Tami katoliko, yung ina niya katoliko, hindi ako ano sa ganon. Pero dahil nga, yun yung paniniwala niya. So kaya, andito yan siya. So ito yung test ni Tami para matulog siya good for 7 hours. And if you need help, call me, okay?
Yeah.
If you need something, okay? Call me, huh?
Yeah.
Don't play with your phone. If you wanna pass the test, don't play with your phone, okay? Listen.
Yeah.
You're right.
What? Something's supposed to plug into this. What plugs into that? Or maybe it uses Bluetooth.
Anyway, guys. Andito siya sa taas kasi sa baba palagi siyang magising-gising. He always, he's right here, guys. He always wake up if he's downstairs because Dimples, Roxy, at saka ako. So, kaya hindi siya makatulog ng maayos dahil nga sa ano. I love you. Do you want the window open? It's better, right? I'll open the window for you.
Yeah.
Because there is an air. Open natin itong window, guys, for my baby. Hello. Okay. Okay, hopefully it's not going to rain. So, yan. Hi, Hubs. Okay, guys, so... You good night na?
Put my phone in.
I did.
Diane.
I love you.
Love you too.
I miss you already.
Yeah, I'm right upstairs. If you need, take the little man with you.
No, he's not. He's gonna cry and then you have to wake up. You know that.
Okay.
Okay, honey. Good night. I can't kiss him, guys. He has so many things, guys. Look.
You can shut the light, but you can probably leave the
What? No, the other one. That one. Okay. Let me show. Is that okay with you? Let me see.
Yeah.
No, hon, it's so dark. Okay, love you.
Love you too.
Good night, love.
Night on. Watch your little man.
Call me, okay?
He's right behind you.
Call me if you need something.
Yeah.
Watch out the wires under your legs.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, poteng is because it's kind of like cold here. I opened the thing. I love you.
Love you too.
Bye-bye. Nagtataka na yung alaga ko dahil nga yung dada nila andun sa taas. Si Roxy nag-ingay. So, Tamimoy, how was your night without me? Hey.
Annoying.
Huh?
Annoying.
Annoying?
Yeah. Fucking wires all over me. Annoying thing in my arm. They're telling me that something's not working or what the hell.
My hubby, guys, it's here. Feeding the kids. And sleeping with Hubsy Bug. And not sleeping with me last night. He's not sleeping with me last night. Why?
He's good. Curled up behind my leg.
He's not sleeping with me. Why? I was like, my God, you're gonna wake up your dada. Because you keep crying. Anyway, guys, good morning. Magtubig lang tayo, guys. Inom tayo ng tubig ng maaga, din kape. Misty! Misty! Come on, say good morning. And get a pee. Come on, let's go limpy, girl. Come on, let's go out. I'm gonna have breakfast. Do you want breakfast?
Some scrambled eggs, I guess.
Scrambled egg.
I can make them.
Han, can I eat some fish?
You can eat all the fish you want. Go ahead.
It's okay. Breakfast fish?
That's the fish if you like.
Oh, hala, you still have chili, son. Oh, no, it's not. You eat the whole thing.
That's the black beans.
So, kain tayo ng isda. Breakfast, guys, isda. You know, ako. Mananghid ko, guys, kasi, guys, baka, initin pa natin yung isda na ito. Initin.
You want eggs with that fish? You want fish and eggs?
I would love to have a sunny side up. Cook sunny side up. Ano na naman tong kalukuhan ng babaeng ito? Hi guys, andito kasi si Mister sa office. And quiet na quiet. Walang quiet ang bahay. Gusto kong mag-ingay sana kaso takutin natin. Let's see kung matatakot ba itong asawa kong kigwaho na ito. You're not even scared. You're not even scared. But the cat was like confused when I'm walking slow. Oh.